Okay, I replaced the battery on my watch. Certina DS Podium, Certina DS Podium. DS Podium there. But because it was not working for a long time and it was stuck here, this chronograph goes in the wrong place, you see? When I reset it, it goes in the wrong place. It shouldn't be here, it should be here. It's nothing to worry about, easy to fix. So you have the top dial, top button, bottom button. So this, it takes a break and reset. So you have start chronograph and then pause, and it shows you the millisecond also. So you have seconds, minutes, hours. So now it's running, and then I pause it and reset with the below one. But it goes in the wrong place. You can pull one time, model DS Podium. The dial, this crown here, can come out once and then twice. And then you have the top button and the below button. Chronograph is running, pause and reset. And this, when it's resetting, should be the top here. To fix this, I pull it first level, one level, and when you press on the top one, it sets this one, so it should be 12 o'clock there. You see this one moves when I press here. It's to set it. It's 12. And when I press this one here, you see the other one moves. That should be also 12. And now when I put it out again, one more time, which one is it? This one, the top, moves the second. So I keep pressing. I don't want to press and hold it so it doesn't go too fast. And at 12. Should be there. And this one, it's set from the bottom dial, below button, also to 0. I put it in, and now I start the chronograph. Pause the chronograph and reset. Nice. And if you want to set the hour and minute, this is the hour, you first level. So now it's the hour is 3:08. And again, one more time, pull out the second level, make it 2:08, should be around there, but we have a problem. Should be here. So now it's chronograph is set to 0, all 3 dials, and the second is running. The battery is working. I just changed it now. This is the seconds for the time, and this is the seconds for the chronograph. Dial here, the gray one, the silver one, is for the minutes of the chronograph, and this is for hours of chronograph, and this small red one is for the milliseconds, I think, fractions of a minute. Divided by 8 fractions. You can only set the date by moving the hours. This is not so great. So yeah, perfect. What's the time now? 3:15. So let's see. When this is pulled out, the watch doesn't work, so that you save the battery if you don't want to use the battery. You can keep it like this or like this. But I want to use it, so I know it's not 15.